The taste of corn, there is something special about it that everybody seems to just love it. Today I will be making bhutte ka shorba, or simply put, corn soup. In order to make a good bhutte ka shorba, we need some good quality sweet corn. I've got this boiled sweet corn. First, I'm going to tip in some butter. Bay leaf, some cumin, just add some green chili. I have some chopped onions, chopped ginger, and chopped garlic, all at the same time. Now, a quick saute. You don't have to really brown them, just a light saute for about a minute or two. My magic ingredient here, curry leaves. Now's the time I'm going to add the corn, all of it. I'm adding some turmeric. Turmeric gives a nice bright color, and I'm adding some Madras curry powder, a little bit of salt, and just cook it. Now I'm just adding a little bit of flour. Now I'm going to add some water. Now we'll just wait for it to get a good boil, and later we'll just cool it down a little and then grind it. This has cooled down a bit. I'm just going to remove the bay leaf. Now just dip in everything into this jar. Let's just close this. Goes on this. Now just watch the magic. And this is done. Let's see what is left of the corn inside this soup. Just going to strain it. Look at that nice creamy corn soup, and look at that. Brilliant. So I'm going to add the soup back into the pan. Look at that glaze on the soup. There's a boil and a very nice thick pouring consistency. Now's the time to serve the soup. I've got some spring onions, and I've got some popcorn. Popcorn will go as a garnish. I think this looks absolutely amazing, and our bhutte ka shorba done.